Yeah, good. That's Crystal Island. Amazing stuff. So good.
Absolutely
so good.
beautiful.
Loads of nice food. Didn't video much of it because we were too busy enjoying it. We're loving it.
It is absolutely
I'm loving
beautiful.
it. What's this? What's this? It's like paradise. Look at that business. The water's clear as you like, mate. Cannot go wrong with this place. It's like they have good food on katamaran. Look how clear the water is. The water's clear as you like.
Look at the fish.
In the coconut? Coconut and rum.
Have rum.
Let's do it. They get the dough out. Hang on.
Oh, I can have, yeah, I'll have pina colada.
How much are they? How much are they? 250.
Yeah, we show them.
In
My first coconut
our first coconut
of Mauritius.
in Isle of
Pina
Maurice.
colada.
Hold that a minute.
Yes, sir. With pina colada. So I'm really excited for this.
Yeah,
It should be really, really good. It is absolutely stunning.
250 tonne, mate.
It's fine.
That fiver. What do you get in England for a fiver? One pina colada or coconut and rum? Yeah, coconut and rum? Yeah. Yeah.
Currently making, what is it? Is it pina colada one?
No,
Or
coconut and rum.
coconut and rum? Yummy. I know, they got proper coconut. Oh wow! Nice. Yeah, I'll try some. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Proper fresh coconut. Oh, that's so good. There's some more. Ready? Come on. Hard coconut.
Yeah.
Hard coconut. This is our drink. So good. So good.
Bloody fecto. Amazing.
Is it just rum and coconut?
Vanilla in there as well.
Nice.
Lenice. Very, very nice. Oh, then after, you drink it. You drink it. Once you drunk it, it'll cut the coconut out for you.
I can't drink that all to myself.
Oh, definitely share. I'll definitely share.
That's it, isn't it?
Daniel.
Share.
So you buy it from him, you give it to him back once you've drunk all the milk and the rum and the vanilla from it, and then it will chop it out for you to eat. Let's do that now, shall we?
So, definitely coconut down.
Mate,
No, he goes proper at it, didn't he?
he could have took out the crane with that.
Oh, Messi.
Mercy. There we go. You know what? I don't even like coconut normally. But
Oh my gosh,
this coconut is the nuts.
it's so tasty.
A bit peanutty. It's a bit peanutty actually. It's good. Whoopsie daisy.
Tasty.
Good catamaran trip actually. We didn't film the first bit, so he's enjoying it. The little cruise. On the way back from the old, from the catamaran trip. That was very good.
It was really, really, really good.
Unburned.
Unburned.
Everyone was knackered. Too much rum. Oh, so there is a lovely catamaran.
It's really, really good.
Meringue le Cateur. My French is good.
It's got limb for us.
Go on, I've lost you. Go and get these nets. You've got to chill on the nets for a bit. Laters, potatoes. Goodbye.